Hey everyone, welcome back to Wixfix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this awesome Glassmorphism blurry background effect here in Editor X, and it's a lot simpler than you would think. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I would like to do is just add a new section. For this section, let's make it kind of large. Let's go ahead and set it to be 100 VH. And we'll come over to the design and choose a background image. So for this, you can literally choose anything. So I'm just going to scroll down. I kind of want something with a little bit of color. Maybe something like this would look really cool. So we'll go ahead and select this. Perfect. Then what I want to do is go ahead and drag out a container. So let's go add container. We'll remove the background color from this container. Then we will set the width for this container. So let's just set this to be 80% width. And let's also just set the height to be 80% here as well. And we'll center this up just like that. The next thing we're going to want to do is just add an embed. So let's come over to add embed and let's do embed code right here. For this code, let's go ahead and set this to be, we'll go ahead and flip this over from fixed sizing to fluid. We'll set this to be 100% width and 100% height. Then we'll come down to these margins and set these to 0, just like that. Now we can press enter code and paste in our code. However, I'm just going to give you this code on the website, so feel free to click the link in the description and just copy it. Click this embed element here and press enter code. We'll paste it in and we'll say update. Now it's going to remove the gray background and it's going to add that really nice blurry glass effect here. Now, a couple things to note here in the code. You can change the border radius here. So if you like how rounded this blurry effect is, then you can leave it as is. However, if you want it to be more exaggerated, then you could do like 48. Or if you don't want any rounded edges, you could just set it to 0. So it's whatever you want. For the saturation here, we can set this to be like 100%, so it's not so saturated in color. And we can also set the blur amount. So if I set this from 40 to 10 and press update, here's what we're gonna see. So it's just kind of a slight glass effect versus the more obvious one that we just had from above. So you can mess with the code a little bit to kind of change the way that it looks. However, I kind of do like the way that it looks already, so I'm just going to leave this at 40, press update, and it's going to look really nice here. Now, because this is a container, you can set the responsiveness and you can add other elements like I did up here. This is an image and these are text elements, so you can design this however you want since it's in a container and it will be responsive. And also, I did forget to mention this at the beginning of the video, but I actually found this code and this method for adding the Glassmorphism effect via the community on Editor X. So if you do want to see some cool things that they do over there, then go check out that Facebook group as well. But that's basically gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Editor X content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.